So the next thing we're going to see with slices is we're going to look through the for range and slicing a slice and appending to a slice and deleting from a slice. And if you ever want to, I don't know, I guess this is a good place to reference it right here because you have examples. So the for range, we learned about the for loop, and there's a special kind of syntax. So golang specification and effective go. There's a special syntax for called the for range. And so if I look for right here, right? Better yet, you can see there's for, but let's look for range and see what comes up. And I'll do a range with a space, before 22. So here it is, for key value colon equal range, and then what you're ranging over. This is showing ranging over a map, but you could also range over a slice. And so using that same thing, we'll take a look at it. And so here, if I wanted to range over my slice, I could say for index value colon equal range x, that's my slice, and I could func.println index and value. And if I wanted to, I could say at index that we have value I don't know why that's showing up as like some kind of problem. Missing a argument. Oh, right here. There we go. So now if I run that, at index 0 we have value 42. At index 1 we have value 44. At index 3 we have value 45. And index 4 we have value 1024. And I don't need those spaces. So that's the for range for looping over. And there's a couple of ways you could play with this. So if you don't want to show the index, you need to throw the index away to the blank identifier. So the blank identifier is you can't not deal with an assignment. So range returns two values. And you know, if I just want the v, what am I going to do with I if I'm not going to use it? You can't assign it to a variable and not use it. So this is telling compiler and runtime that I know that this is supposed to be assigned something, but I'm not going to use it. And so I'm just throwing it into the void, the blank identifier. So now if I run this, it's that. So I've got, you know, just the values. But you can do, oddly enough, and I don't have a good reason for this, you can do for v, pretty sure, and just, no, sorry, for index. And if I just do the index, I don't think I need the value. Let's see if that works. Yep, I could do just the index. So it'll give me the first one. But if I'm going to have two, I need to distinguish, right? I can't then just put v down here because then I just have one again. So if it has one, it just gives you the index. If it has two, it gives you the index and the value. That's why. Does that make sense? They had to choose one for the one argument. And just to keep things clear so people don't make mistakes, I think they gave you the index back because then you might realize, oh, that's sequential. That's not the values I wanted. So that's doing the for range over a slice. Let's see what else we have to look at here. And we have slicing a slice, which merits its own video. So we're going to see that next.